everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the present continuous tense in English. It's super useful when talking about things that are happening right now or at this moment. Let's get started. Section 1. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or things that are happening around this time. It's a tense that shows an action is in progress at the moment of speaking. To form the present continuous, we use this simple structure. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing. Let me break it down for you with a few examples. I am eating. She is working. They are playing football. Section 2. Breaking down the structure. Let's take a closer look at the structure. We use the verb to be am, is, are with the verb ending in ing. Let's see how it works for different subjects. Examples: I am eating. Talking about yourself. She is studying. Talking about one person. They are playing. Talking about more than one person. We are working. Talking about a group including you. Notice that the verb changes depending on the subject. I always takes am. She, he, it takes is. You, we, they take are. Section 3. Time expressions for present continuous. To talk about actions happening right now, we often use time expressions like now or at the moment. Examples: I am reading a book now. She is talking to her friend at the moment. They are watching TV now. These time expressions make it clear that the action is happening right now. You can always use now or at the moment to emphasize that the action is ongoing. Section 4. Negative sentences in present continuous. Now, let's talk about negative sentences. To make a sentence negative, we simply add not after the verb to be. Examples: I am not sleeping. She is not eating. They are not playing football. We are not working today. So, to make it negative, just add not right after am or is or are. It's very simple. Section 5. Questions in present continuous. Finally, let's learn how to ask questions in the present continuous. We begin with am, is, or are, followed by the subject, and then the verb in ing. Examples: Are you studying? Is she reading? Are they playing football? All right, let's practice together. I will say a sentence and you try to say it out loud with me. Ready? First one, he is cooking dinner. He is cooking dinner. Second one, we are not going to the park. We are not going to the park. Third one, they are studying for their exam. They are studying for their exam. Fourth one, is she working now? Is she working now? Last one, she is speaking on the phone. She is speaking on the phone. Great job! You did awesome! Well done, everyone! You've learned the present continuous tense. Remember, you use it to talk about things happening right now or things that are in progress. The structure is simple, and with a little practice, you'll be using it naturally in your conversations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment below and tell me what you're doing at the moment. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Take care and keep learning.